So in this video, I have a very important subject and topic for you, and it has to do with adult content. Adult content are things that might be sexy or aren't exactly age appropriate for 9 to 12-year-olds to be watching or to see, or images that are sexy. And a lot of times people come across this content online, or maybe a friend might show you a picture or a video or an image of someone with no clothes on, perhaps, right? So someone who's naked or nude. And it's totally normal to be curious about what someone's body looks like without clothes on. But if you are online and you're looking up things, sometimes you might come across content that isn't really for someone your age, and it's for adults. I just want to caution you, if you come across something like this, be careful what you click on, because it's been my experience that you can't exactly unsee something. And there is some stuff that is online, especially, that are sexy images or videos that aren't really representative of what people typically do. And it could actually give you incorrect information about what's normal in a healthy relationship. And that worries me a little bit. And the other thing is, we just want to make sure that, it's normal to be curious, but what you don't want to do is to be viewing that content a lot, because there's actually some people who get hooked on it, and addicted to these types of images. And that can be really dangerous for someone's it could interfere with them being sexually healthy, if that makes sense, right? So again, I don't want you to feel bad about being curious. If you come across something, probably the best thing to do is to let your parents know, hey, I was looking up Girl Scout cookies and I found something that I wasn't looking for, and I didn't know what it was, and I clicked on it. Just wanted to let you know that I saw an image that I don't know was something I should have seen or not. And then that way you can't get in trouble because you fessed up and you said something to your parents. And it's important that they know what you've seen. So if it's something that is unusual or not typical that you saw, they can help you understand it or explain it to you better, or help you process that information, so to speak, right? Because like I said, there's just a lot of stuff that online that can be really violent even, or really gross or icky, and definitely sexy. There's definitely a lot of images and videos out there that might even show people having sex. And it's just something that when you get older, you may consume at some point. But right now, those images and those videos could really alter the way you think or what sex is. And like I said, there's a lot of times that stuff's for entertainment or for shock value. People are trying to get clicks. So sometimes some of the stuff that they show isn't what most people do. And I would hate for you to think that that's what sex is, when it's totally not. It's outside of the normal of what most people would do in their privacy of their own bedrooms, okay? So I just want to mention that. Make sure you talk to your parent more about what any rules are around in your household around this subject, and what they hope that you do or don't do if you were to come across some of this content. What they would like for you to do as far as talking to them, and any values that they might have around this would be a really good thing to discuss with your parent. Okay, so parents, you're up. See you in the next